Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Eric, and it has been a while, but we do have three games to go over from this past weekend's Spooky Nook tournament. And again, the individuals are going to be kind of tough to compile because the uniform numbers keep changing, etc. But we're at least going to be able to look at the team stuff. And we're going to try not to focus on the results. We're going to try to focus on the numbers because again, we have goals for this team, and hopefully that we can learn something from analyzing them. Let's take a look first, I guess. Doesn't really matter, but let's look at the NLA White game first. Right. Um, so again, what we're trying to get to is from you guys. If I were going to be greedy, I would say 55% effective field goal percentage. If I were conservative, I would say 50. But in either case, this 43% effective field goal percentage is entirely too low. And again, we have to figure out whether that's just because, we just missed stuff, or we missed opportunities to take better shots. And the shot chart will tell us most of that. Turnover rate 19%. That's not bad. We want to get it below 20, so that's actually not bad. Offensive rebound percentage, you wanted near 30, and you got beat on the glass a little bit. So these numbers are what kind of contribute to this type of a loss. Let's take a look at the shot chart and see what that 43% looks like. Um, so I really don't have any issue with this at all. You only took two bad twos. The rest of your shots were either threes or at the rim. And I couldn't ask for anything better, honestly, you guys. Except, if we want to nitpick, maybe what's that? What's, Sorry about that. The only thing I would say is that if it's possible that these shots were contested, then maybe you want to reconsider those. Okay. And you could just click through here if you wanted to and see what all these threes look like. And let's see if the right people were taking them. Let's see if they were the offense, etc. And then you can go on to the next one. Is it the same one? Yeah, I mean that's not too bad, right? Let's see this one. I will take that, as far as a good shot to take. Now, is the right person taking them? I don't know, but we'll take a look. But overall, again, I wish I could slam you guys for, hey, you guys lost by 20, but it certainly had nothing to do with your shot selection. Let's take a look at the stats though, individually, and let's see if we can see anything. These numbers, uh, by athlete. No, that's not. Got to go to the other game. Sorry. NLA White. Let's see if anybody stood out at all. Okay, it looks like we actually have at least close to the right players. But in any case, from three, Will was 1 for 6. Obviously, that's not going to work. You're a better shooter than that. Guri was 1 for 4. Salem 1 for 6. And if you were wearing different numbers, I apologize for that. What else here? Aside from these missed threes, I mean, the rest seem pretty normal. As far as turnovers go, all right, Randolph 4 turnovers. That's obviously something you want to take a look at. But overall, I mean, you know, I wish I had something negative to say. Just make your shots more, I guess. That's for this particular game. All right, let's take a look at the others. Let's look at the Team Sims game, and this was kind of ugly. I don't know if we got the whole game, but I have 22 points recorded. But let's just take a look. Yeah, even so, this is the worst there is, right? So 26% effective field goal percentage. Um, Needless to say, that's not going to beat anybody. So let's get into the shot chart, I guess. See what's up in the Team Sims game. All right, so we had 1, 2, 5, 7 bad twos out of 39. That's not great. Um, and the shots that you took, I mean, they're not that bad. I mean, the ratio isn't bad, but 1 for 8 at the rim, that was obviously you're not going to be able to win like that. So again, coach, you could click through these, take a look and see what all these kind of finishes look like, and whether it's just a matter of scheme or is it a matter of just not being able to finish well. And also, it'd be nice for you guys to wear a different color jersey than the opponent. Makes my life a little bit easier. Let's take a look at some individuals in this game by athlete. Stats. Or what do we do here? From three specifically, Guri, 1 for 4. Will was 2 for 6. You probably should have taken some more. I think one of the problems here, let's take a look at the turnover rate. Maybe that had something to do with this. Um, yeah, 20% turnover rate. Turnover rate's not the best either. And I don't think this was the entire game, but nonetheless, this percentage is very poor, and you're just not going to win like that. But maybe a few more threes and a few less, missed shots at the rim, I guess. But again, you'd have to go through each shot to see if it was a good shot or a bad shot. But overall, it looks like the distribution at least isn't bad. All right, and in the last game, we have the short shots, which was damn close. I have it 52-54. Boy, look, 42% effective field goal percentage. I mean, you just had to just do a little bit better. That's the best I can describe this. Your turnover rate was great. You kept control of the ball. You got some good rebounds. Let's take a look at your shots here. Again, this is versus short shots. All right, so here's a problem. We took 7 bad twos. So you went 2 for 7 from shots where even if they went in, they'd only be worth 2 points. So that's obviously not good. And this particular game, you only lost by 2 points. So a little bit better decision making on these bad twos, and maybe, just maybe, it will have led to that 2 point victory. Let's take a look at see the athletes here. Overall, we want stats. Short shots. Okay. Hey, Will made 6 for 14 for 3. Excellent. Much better. And then we had guys whose number we couldn't recognize. I don't know, maybe they changed jerseys. I have no idea. But nonetheless, Will, much better. And boy, one possession away. Maybe I'll watch the end of that game, see how that actually ended. Anyway, I know it's frustrating, but I hope you guys are enjoying. It's really, really great competition out there, and you get to go away. You get to listen. You get to be my age and coach's age. There are no more reps, so you should respect all the reps that you can get. And you know what? Let's try to finish this season off strong. I don't know if you guys are playing Saturday, Sunday, but if you are, good luck. And that's it.